Hi guys, I got two fresh cases here, Q case. Just quickly flip this and then see if they've got any supers at the bottom. Give me 1 second, please. All right, open the case, and I don't know if it's got super in there, but that's a dud straight away. Dudsy. All right, slammed. That's the number plate, so it should read a super TH if it's a super, and I don't see another Volvo. That's right. Let me just quickly flip the other one and see what they have in there. All right. They've got 15 minutes to close. To be quick here. All right. Dudsy. Slammed. All right. Two dead cases. All right. Then you've got the Datto here, which is a regular, and same here, another Datto regular. That's right. So two cases. I'll pick these. I haven't seen the other side, but I'm pretty sure there'll be a regular treasure hunt in there. All right, let me pick these and see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.